Hello, guys. Welcome again to another video. So, in this video, we're going to be talking about introduction to trading proper. Introduction to trading, okay? So, like you can see on my screen, introduction to trading. So, by now, we've all understood what is forex trading, and we've also talked about the tools we need for forex trading. And then I dropped a link for you to register with our preferred broker, which is Xness. So by now, I believe you must have registered with the broker and you must have also linked your MT5 to your broker account, and you must have also linked your MT5 on both your for iPhone users and Android users. So I dropped a YouTube link for Android users and I dropped a video I made for iPhone users. So you're able to link your broker account to your MT5. Okay, so it's quite easy and quite straightforward. I don't expect us to have issues doing the linking of broker to MT5, right? But then again, we've not talked about what broker is all about. I'm not asking you guys, don't put your money anywhere yet till you understand what broker is all about. So for today's class, we're going to be talking about introduction to forex trading, right? So the first thing on our list here is the ingredients of a successful trader or ingredient of success in trading. Okay, like I said before, the first thing here is the proven strategy. Proven strategy, like I promised, I'm going to give you guys strategies to trade with. Then number two is risk management. Risk management is how you manage your money while trading. Then balanced emotion is how you are able to manage your emotions while trading. Okay, and then the number fourth is market knowledge, having a knowledge of market, and that is what you're going to be getting at the end of this course. Then also mentorship. I talked about mentorship before. Then consistent practice. This is where you have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. Everything I will teach you, everything I will show you, you have to practice it consistently. Okay, you have to practice it what consistently. Now, what are asset classes? So in the forex market, what are the things we trade? What are the things we trade? We trade asset classes. Asset classes. Okay. Now, what are asset classes? We have different things we trade in the forex market. Different things. Okay. So number one, we trade FS currencies. We trade shares. We trade indices. We trade commodities. We trade energy. We trade cryptocurrency. Now, I will explain all of this. Don't worry yourself. I will explain all of this. Now, I believe a lot of us are already familiar with cryptocurrency. The name cryptocurrency, when you hear cryptocurrency, you're familiar with it. So, in the forex market, we trade those guys. We trade crypto. Yes, we trade crypto. Okay. Now, cryptocurrencies are things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, AVAX, Solana. So all of those are coins, cryptocurrency coins that you can trade on the market, on the forex market as well. Okay. Then talking about energy, so I'm going from the down to top now. So talking about energy, any energy has to do with oil. Oil, we trade oil as well. You know the crude oil you buy in the market, we trade it. Yes, we trade crude oil. So talking about commodities. So commodities, these are like gold. So these are assets like gold, silver, and the likes of it. That's where commodity how it comes in play. They also have indices. Indices are like they are stocks. They are stocks, just like shares. They are stocks in the forex market, just like US 30, S&P 500, you know, what else? What else? Nasdaq, German 30. So all of these are indices. They are in the market. Don't worry. With time, you get to understand all of this. Don't worry yourself. And we also trade shares. Okay, you all want the shares, right? Shares of companies. Okay, we trade shares. Then FX currency. These are the major things we trade in the market. So I'm going to be explaining FX currency in depthly before we go to the next slide. Okay, we're going to be talking about FX currency. Now, what is FX currency? FX currency are things like, let me wipe this off my screen. So FX currency are things like the dollar, the pounds, and the likes of it. These are what FX currencies. So we see something like this. US dollar is FX currency. USD. My bad. My bad. USD. So these are FX currencies. Okay. We also have euro, which is euro. Euro. We have euro as well. So all of these are FX currency. These are what we trade in the market. All of it, you can see it in your chart, you can see it in your trading view, you can see it in your MT5 and your MT4 respectively. So that's what we call FX currency, like your euro, your dollar, your pounds, your Japanese yen, your New Zealand dollar, your Australian dollar. What else? What else? What else? What else? So every country's currency, every country's currency you can think about, the NGN, your naira, your Ghana CDs, okay, every South African rands, every currency you can think about falls under this place here, under this FS currency guy here, right? So this is where the fall under FS currency. Is that okay? Cool, cool, cool. Uh, Let me take this off. So this is where they fall under, okay? FS currency. So you trade all of these in the market. We're going to drop this for now, and then we'll talk about that in our subsequent video. So for the other thing we're going to be talking about today um is FX market participants. Like, who are the people who participate in this market? Who are the people who move the market, who trade forex? People who trade forex. You are not just the only person who will be trading forex or who trade forex, as the case may be. Now we have a lot of people, a lot of institutions that trade in this financial market. So the forex market is a $6 trillion market. It does 6 trillion turnover every day. Every day. So it means that 6 trillion passes the market every day. So the market is very liquid. Now, what are those people that make up those amounts every day that pass through the market? Number one on our list here are called major banks. Major banks, not like your commercial bank like Zenith Bank for Nigerians, First Banks, and the likes of it. Not those ones. I'm talking about major banks. Major banks. Okay. So major bank, this is where your CBN, all the CBN of all countries come in play, and some other major banks. After that, we have the electronic brokers, we have the service, EBS, right? Retail dealers, we have spot markets. So all of these are the people on top of the food chain. And then you come down, you see medium size and small banks. So this is where our small banks fall in place, our commercial banks, okay? The foreign banks, also commercial banks, they fall in under here. Okay, then going down is where you see retail market makers. So these guys are the ones with big funds, huge funds, but they are also retail traders, but they have huge funds that can impact the market. And then coming down is where you see retail traders. This is where we are right now. This is where we are for the upcoming traders. Retail traders is where we fall in place. Retail traders with those of us with small capital. Okay, so we are the down on the food chain. So talking about the forex market, we are down, down, down at the food chain. So there are a lot of big boys and big guys in the market who trade the market. So be not worried that the market is going to crash. It has been in existence for ages, and it's not going to crash anytime soon. It's not going to crash. The market is going to be there for a long time. It has been there for a long time, and it's still going to be there for a long time because a lot of people around the world are participating in the forex market. So I want to welcome you guys into this amazing journey of forex market, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. So all of this is just introduction to prep your mind into what we're going to be doing completely in this course, where you get to learn everything little by little. So I'll be ending this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.